what it is.
Yeah, loosely based on our Voyager, the Vaquero comes with a slightly lesser package, but it has a lot of features. So we retain the 1700 6-speed engine, which is overdrive, nice low RPM cruising on the highway. So we retain that from the Voyager. Frame mounted fairing. Also the gauges nicely laid out here. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, tachometer, analog of course, which is nice for the cruising rider, tachometer. Full radio, AM, FM, and controls on the handlebar for the radio. Also, it is wired for a CB, so you can add optional CB. We have the torque and squelch control on the handlebar. We also have cruise control, so we retain the cruise control, switching and adjustment over here on the right. So there's a lot of features that come from the Voyager. It's a retro look, and you're right, it's very automotive layout, that's true, which adds to this type of customer. They feel very comfortable with this gauge layout. And being retro, it's more baby boomer types, so it works very well. So the rear end has obviously the hard bags, which are like the earlier Nomad, and the seat is in fact similar to our old Mean Streak. So there's a lot of machines influence in this new bike. Some of the best features that we've had are now implemented in our new Vaquero. Yeah, it's a very vivid, its official name is Candy Fire Red, and it has a deep metallic base to it, and it really comes alive in the sun. So this is not the best sunlight, but once it's out there, it really does beam. So you get a very, very vivid red in the sunshine. Strangely, rather like we're introducing our new Ninja 1000, we're trying to grab a bigger market. So there'll be many seats that sit on this and be very satisfied.